Monadeepa, if Mamta has her way, West Bengal could soon be, well, simply Bengal in English and Bangla or Bongo in Bengali. Have you managed to conduct a straw poll amongst the Bengalis you've met today on the name they would prefer?
I think there are as many versions of the name that people want here as there are Bengalis, non-Bengalis, whoever in this state. You know, Bengal, Bongo, Bangla, somebody said Bengal might just be more Indian and less parochial. Let me just do a little poll right here for you at a fuchka stall, no less. What could be more Bengali than that? Dada, apni bolun. Bangla, Bongo, Bengal, Bengal.
बंगाल बंगाल है ये।
आपको आप कहाँ से हैं?
हम लोग बिहार का है, भागलपुर का।
आपको क्या पसंद है? बंगाल, बांग्ला, बोंगो?
हम लोग बंगाल पसंद है, अभी यहीं हैं तो यहीं का पसंद है अभी।
Okay. You tell me, you are enjoying your churmur, I see. What is it that you want for the state, the name for the state?
First of all, why change it? What's the benefit will be? And yeah, if it is really going to happen, then Bangla will be good.
But Bangla is country liquor.
So there is a lot of things like, you know, with the same name. So it can be.
Okay, so Bangla, so what if it's country liquor? What about you? What do you think?
I think Bangla, like Sonar Bangla, and I don't know if there's a need for change, and maybe it's Bengal or Bangla. This Sonar Bangla is great.
Okay, what about you kids?
Bengal. Bengal. Bongo.
But Babul Supriyo says not bongo, that's a musical instrument.
Well, and Bengal.
You?
Bengal.
No, what about the Bengali version?
No, I still think it should be Bengal. We should never change it.
Okay.
I want to be like, let it call like Bengal because you said that it's going to go up on the list. So, you know, people will actually, you know, like know Bengal is there. West Bengal, we're right at the end. So, Bengal, it's good if you want to change. If it's going to change, I think Bengal.
Okay. So I think one unanimity does seem to be there, and that is we should go up the list and have a state whose name begins with B. But Bongo, Bangla, Bengal, Bengal, I think like Brexit, there should be a referendum perhaps in this state. Back to you.